Hello, I've been introducing single flowers products for the last couple videos. So today I will show you a potted flowers. Artificial potted hydrangea. This flowers is very hot sale in the European market. For this item, the total height is 18 cm and the pot is 9 cm. The diameter of the flowers is 22 cm and diameter of the pot is 8 cm. Then the total weight is 183 grams. This flowers has 9 big leaves, include light green and dark green color. And for the material, the flowers and the leaves is made of polyester and the flower pot is made by PP. We also want to imitate the natural soil, so we use some polyfoam with some cement inside. This hydrangea has a plum shape, and the flower's language is loyalty, eternity, happiness, hope, and reunion. And these artificial flowers can be used for indoor, and it's very easy to take care of, and they don't need sunlight. It's very suitable for wedding, desk decoration, office, and so on. So for this item, I hope you like it.